In the last 90 days, I've diagnosed this exact problem in 11 vehicles. Not one had a warning light, not one ran rough, but every single one was wasting 25 to 40% more fuel than it should have. Boom, that's the reality most drivers never see. 11 cars, no alerts, no rough idling, just silent fuel loss, quietly draining money every day. And if this is happening in these 11 vehicles, imagine how many more are silently bleeding money out there, completely unnoticed. Let's put numbers on this, because numbers grab attention. At $250 per month, that's $3,000 a year in wasted fuel. One tiny sensor, costing less than a transmission repair, can fix it. But most drivers never even think to check. Now, here's the part most videos skip. These aren't rare or exotic cars. These are everyday vehicles driven by everyday people, just like you. Let me show you 3 examples from my own work. Real cases that illustrate exactly what's happening. Case 1. The family SUV. A dad reached out after noticing his SUV's fuel economy drop from 14 kobzel to barely 9 kobol. Smooth ride, no warning lights. Nothing seemed wrong. But when I scanned the car, the coolant temperature sensor was reading far below the actual engine temperature. The result? The engine thought it was cold all the time, fueling constantly. After replacing the sensor, the fuel economy jumped back to normal, all in under an hour. The difference was night and day, and the owner saved hundreds of dollars a month without touching a transmission or fuel injector. Case 2. The work pickup. A pickup truck used for deliveries started guzzling fuel like crazy. The owner had already spent hundreds replacing injectors, oxygen sensors, and even the fuel pump. Still no improvement. Quick diagnostics revealed the same culprit, a faulty coolant sensor. Replacement restored normal fuel delivery immediately. The takeaway, sometimes the most expensive. Looking problems have the simplest solutions. You just need to know where to look. Case 3. The young commuter. A 23-year-old commuter noticed rising fuel bills and slightly sluggish acceleration. The car ran fine, no rough idle, nothing unusual. Scan showed the sensor was slowly drifting out of range. After replacement, fuel economy jumped immediately. That commuter saved over $500 a year and avoided unnecessary stress and long-term engine damage. Here's why this matters. When your engine thinks it's cold, it injects extra fuel. Normally, that's only for the first few minutes after startup. But if the sensor is faulty, it never stops over-fueling. Every kilometer burns more fuel. Every stoplight wastes money. Over months, this leads to spark plug wear, catalytic converter stress, oil degradation, and even early engine problems. Small sensor, huge consequences. But here's the thing, it's easy to prevent. Let me break it down in clear, actionable steps. Cold start test. Plug in an OBD2 scanner before driving. Check coolant temperature readings. They should match ambient temperature. Warm up monitor. Drive slowly after startup. Temperature should rise steadily to the normal range. Stuck low. Problem detected. Preventive maintenance. Replace coolant as recommended by the manufacturer. Old coolant corrodes sensors faster, making this problem inevitable over time. Regular scans. Even if your car feels fine, a quick diagnostic scan every few months can catch drifting sensors before they waste fuel. Now let's expand the story further. I also found this issue in Case 4, the mid-size sedan. Owner complained about reduced acceleration during highway merging. Car ran perfectly otherwise. Diagnostics revealed the coolant sensor was slightly slow, causing the ECU to fuel under moderate load. After replacement, acceleration returned to normal and fuel savings were immediate, over 200 in the first month alone. Case 5, the luxury SUV. This one shocked me. Owner bragged the car was perfectly maintained, with all dealer services done on schedule. Yet fuel consumption was up by 30%. Scan revealed an OEM sensor issue, one the dealership had failed to identify. Replaced in under 45 minutes, fuel economy returned to factory specs, saving the owner $500 per month in fuel costs. Here's the truth, these problems are extremely common, and the pattern is consistent across SUVs, pickups, sedans, and luxury cars. If your car is silently fueling, it's draining your wallet without warning. Think about the ripple effect. Poor fuel economy is just the start. Over-fueling leads to carbon buildup, fouled spark plugs, stressed catalytic converters, higher maintenance costs, and even shorter engine life. What seems like a 30-50 sensor problem can snowball into thousands in avoidable repairs if ignored. So, what should you do this week? Step 1: grab a cheap OBD2 scanner or visit a trusted mechanic. Step 2: check your coolant temperature readings, especially during cold starts. Step 3: if it's off, replace the sensor immediately. Don't wait for warning lights, they often never come. Step 4: track your fuel economy for a week before and after replacement. The savings are often instant and shocking. Don't let your car silently bleed your wallet. Take 10 minutes. Check your coolant sensor. Fix it. Watch your fuel economy improve, engine health stabilize, and your monthly bills drop. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more hidden car hacks and ways to save thousands, subscribe now and leave a comment with your car type. I read every comment, and your story might even appear in the next video. Remember, small sensor, huge problem. Most drivers never notice it. Most dealerships never check it. But now, you know, and that knowledge alone can save you thousands over the next year. Don't ignore it. Act today.